Vince Velasco, of course. This lovely lady beside me is Riza Diaz, of course. And welcome to Galaxy Watch Earth Day Run 2024. Riza, good morning.
Good morning, 21K runners from here all the way dyan sa likod. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Everyone feeling good? Parang mahina. Everyone feeling good? Yeah, let's start the day with a lot of energy because, you know, today, this morning is not just an ordinary Sunday, I say. It is truly, truly, truly special.
Honestly, of course, we are running for a good cause. You all woke up bright and early aside for running, of course, for your PRs, whether it is your first time running with, of course, Run Rio, whether you are a returning athlete, you all running for a very, very great cause.
That's right, and that is our collective effort to raise more awareness on how we can actually, protect our one and only planet.
So, of course, there are a few reminders throughout the race as it goes on, but of course, the one that really sticks with us is make sure you leave the planet better than whence you came or wherever you came from.
That's right. And you know what? This morning, since again, we're blessed with such a beautiful weather, walang signs of, let's say, rain, diba? Also,
Yes.
of course,